I'm getting ready for a big night tonight. The big night.
The big night. The big night.
The big night tonight.
It all started way back in 1984 at the Kiwi Point Bowling Alley in the Philippines when I asked Terry if she would like to substitute for a missing bowler on our team one evening. It was then that I learned that she could bowl, and I was hooked. And she was hooked too on bowling. The best thing though, she agreed that bowling and beer were good for each other. And as far as I was concerned, so were we. Over the years, we've participated in many leagues. Even after retiring to the Philippines, every trip we would make to Manila, Cebu, or Guam, we would always make time for bowling a game or two. We've been on Guam here for 4 years now, and we've been enjoying ourselves almost on a weekly basis as part of the Family Fun League. Last year, Terry's team took home the championship trophy. This year, we partnered up on the same team and took the honors again. She's already got her bowling trophy. Tonight I get mine, and she gets one too, because she was on my team, and we're the champions. So it's a big night tonight.
The big night.
The big night tonight.
This is a dress-up event. She's got high heels, and I'm not wearing flip-flops. No parking. Somebody didn't tell that care about. The end of another league season is upon us, and now it's time to celebrate.
Thank you. Okay. That's down.
Now I know what you're all probably thinking. We stayed up until all hours of the night, partying and eating and drinking and carrying on. We were at home in bed by 10 o'clock because we had to get ready for the next day and more food, another birthday party, and this time a roast pig.
Wake up.
No, you're doing. It's your birthday today.
food never ends in this island. I'll never lose weight here. If you plan on coming to Guam, you'll never lose weight here. It's just the way Guam is. It's all about food. Don't come to this island if you plan on losing weight. Don't come to this island if you think you have a weight problem and gonna fix it.